Let's learn how to remove Temu minimum spend limit. So before we start, I want to let you know that this has been patched. So it was like you contact support and ask them to remove your limit and they remove it. So that was patched, but there is new trick that you can do, and basically it also removes kinda limit and gives you product for free. So let us start by opening our Temu application. Now you want to click on U button. Now you want to click on this headphones, and this will be support page. Now you want to click on contact us, and as you can see here, I tried to remove minimum spend limit, but they gave me 20% coupon instead. So the limit is $20. Now you can just spam it like this. Don't take it first, so you want to send messages first and then just click on yes please on everything. So you can get 5 coupons for 20% discount, and basically you get that item for free. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.